So Grizzly Bandsaw is a wide line of bandsaws sold through Grizzly Industrial Supply. We stock a lot of parts for Grizzly saws, but primarily the guide kits. We felt that one place we could improve on the Grizzly Bandsaw is the guide kit. So we make a upgrade guide kit for it. And that's gonna hold the blade in a better position, it's gonna run smoother, the blade's gonna last longer and give you straighter cuts. That combined by the rubber and urethane bandsaw tires that you put on the wheels will keep the blade tracking correctly. Additionally, we sell bandsaw blades. We custom weld all the bandsaw blades for any Grizzly machine, and we'll ship those out to you within 24 hours. So Sawblade.com offers a winning combination for Grizzly Bandsaw machine owners. We give you superior blades, we can upgrade the guide kit, all at a lower price, all delivered to your door, all shipped within 24 hours.